garlic okra potato yogurt casserole, or garlic okra potato yogurt bowl, or Lasoon Bhindi Aloo Raita, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the garlic recipes and one of the most unique of the okra recipes and one of the most delicious of the potato casserole recipes and one of the most unique of the potato recipes and one of the most different of the casserole recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button. Today we're going to make garlic okra potato yogurt casserole. We have taken 150 grams of potato cut into thin long pieces after peeling, and around 150 to 200 grams of okra pieces cut horizontally. Heat the pan and put in 15 grams of ghee or clarified butter. Let it melt. Put in the onion pieces. Salt. Marinade. You can saute. Garlic saute mix. Put in the garlic piece. Salt the garlic piece. Put in the ginger, put in salt to taste, salt, salt thoroughly, keep on salting. Thoroughly salt and mix. Put in some mustard seeds and let it get heated and wait for it to split and pop. Now put in a spoon of chili powder, spoon of turmeric powder, put in the okra pieces and the potato pieces, salt thoroughly and mix. Put in salt to taste. Thoroughly salt and mix. Keep on sauteing. Sauteing thoroughly. And cook for 20 minutes. The casserole open some curry leaves, mix. And pour in 100 ml of yogurt. Mix thoroughly. And this mixture cook for a minute in the casserole. Garlic, okra, potato yogurt casserole is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final garlic, okra, potato yogurt casserole, or garlic, okra, potato yogurt bowl, or Lasoon Bhindi Aloo Raita, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the garlic recipes and one of the most unique of the potato recipes and one of the most unique of the potato casserole recipes and one of the most delicious of the okra recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.